Hello, I'm Abhijit Rajpurohit and welcome to the demo of the CloudTouch Interactive Intelligent Panels. Traditional meeting rooms use whiteboards to share ideas and TVs with HDMIs to make presentations. These devices tie your teams down by limiting their ideas to a limited whiteboard canvas, and we all know the problems that come with sharing an HDMI cable across the room. CloudTouch is an interactive intelligent panel designed for your boardroom meetings, conferences, education, and trainings. Its smart touch technology makes it the intelligent addition to your meeting rooms. Our new CloudTouch 8100 series is offered in various sizes in 55, 65, 75, 86, and 98 inches. All sizes come with a 4K IPS panel with 60 Hz refresh rate and a 178-degree ultra-wide viewing angle. The quad-core processor and the graphic card, combined with 4GB RAM and 32GB storage, make collaborating and multitasking on the CloudTouch an absolute delight. There are also stereo speakers which provide 16-watt output, enough for any meeting room. Speaking of ports, CloudTouch comes with plenty for any type of connectivity. It offers 3 HDMIs, 2 USB ports, a USB Type-C, USB Touch, AV in and out, VGA, and many more. CloudTouch offers the latest Android OS and has a PC slot for an OPS running Windows. As soon as you boot the CloudTouch, you are welcomed by the home page. At a glance, you can see today's date and time, and quick access to Airstream, File Manager, Whiteboard, and App Drawer. There's your network and storage notification, and there's a dedicated space to put your company or university logo. You also get the option to change the wallpaper of the display, and setting your company's wallpaper is a fantastic way of customizing your display. To navigate, simply swipe from either side of the panel and you'll see the different controls. You have back, home, recent apps, and inputs to see the list of sources. My favorite of this bunch is annotation, which allows you to draw on top of any presentation or document. You can easily access all your installed apps from the application section on the home page. Some of the inbuilt apps include a file manager, a browser to navigate the web, a welcome app that creates custom welcome screens, or you can run multiple apps side by side in split screen mode. The inbuilt whiteboard is an incredible tool for brainstorming sessions, team presentations, and classrooms. It makes every meeting a collaborative one. Combined with the infrared touch panel that supports up to 20 touch points and has an accuracy of 1 mm, that makes the experience far superior. When you open the whiteboard, you will see 3 different sections: the taskbar, the toolbar, and pages. Exit is the first button on the taskbar and is used to quit the whiteboard. In case you click on exit in an unsaved session, the whiteboard is smart enough to ask you if you want to exit or save it first. The minimize function allows you to hide the whiteboard if you want to use another app in the middle of your session. The next 2 buttons, annotate and board, are different modes under which you can run the whiteboard. Board allows you to access the infinite canvas and custom backgrounds, and annotate allows you to draw on top of any presentation, source, or applications. Now let's move to the toolbar where the real fun happens. The first is the pen tool, that you can customize the type of pen, the thickness of the pen, and its colors. Next is eraser. Eraser allows you to erase by touch, selecting an area, or by wiping the entire canvas. Select option is useful to move and scale things around the canvas, or to zoom in and zoom out of the canvas. There's also undo and redo options for rectifying any minor errors that you may want. There are some more functions available under the More tab. Background allows you to pick the canvas color or to customize it as per your choice. From symbols, you can add templates and shapes from the list or directly add it onto your canvas. Or you can enable the Smart Shape Detection, which automatically recognizes any hand-drawn shape. Next is Insert. Insert allows you to add any image directly into the whiteboard for easy access. The multi-canvas option allows multiple users to to have individual sessions inside the whiteboard at the same time. Once you're done with your session, you have the option to save it. You can share this session via QR code, save it on the CloudTouch for accessing later, or emailing it to the participants. The lock button locks the toolbar into place, and unlocking it will automatically hide it when it's not in use. The Pages section allows you to add new pages, browse between pages or the existing pages by clicking on the previous and next buttons. You also can switch between the pages or delete the ones that you don't require. The switch button changes the placement of the taskbar and the pages, which gives you easy access to either regardless of where you're standing. CloudTouch supports high-quality casting using the Airstream app or the switch. It also supports casting the CloudTouch back to your device, annotating on the screen, and much more. To get started, click on the Cast button to open the Airstream application. Here you have details of your meeting and also the instructions on how to cast. You have the option to change the meeting room name, so you can name it Meeting Room A, Classroom B, and so on as per your requirement. This makes casting to the right device much easier. There's an option to enable pin code. You can see it on top of the page and you can hide it if you want. This helps to allow only the people in the meeting room to cast. In a real-life meeting room, most people will have different devices: Windows laptops, MacBooks, Android phones, iPads. And the CloudTouch allows you to cast multiple devices on the single screen simultaneously. For instance, you can cast a Windows laptop and a MacBook via the Airstream app or the switch. Now, while your meeting is going on, you can zoom in one of the screens and go back. Simultaneously, you can also cast using your phone via the Airstream app or AirPlay. And while all of this is happening, you can cast the whole experience on your laptop via the Airstream app, annotate on top of it to make a point. While multicast is a brilliant feature that allows you to present wirelessly from one CloudTouch device to multiple CloudTouch devices in different rooms at the same time. With CloudTouch, your meeting rooms have transformed from exchanging messy cables to a wireless collaborative environment. The navigation bar gives you access to settings, where you can see a dashboard view of all your tools. First in the list is network, followed by hotspot and casting settings. You can set a timer, take screenshots. One of our great features is notes, which adds a post-it on top of the page. You can change the color of the post-it and the pens. You can draw anything on it and erase it if you want. You can add multiple post-its and even move it into the whiteboard. Another handy feature of the navigation bar is screen recording. It's perfect for those long and important sessions for future references. There is also an inbuilt vote feature that allows users to scan the QR code on screen and find out the results later. An incredibly fun way to navigate is by using the float ball. To call it, simply do a 5-finger pinch anywhere on the screen. You can use it by single click or by long press depending on what you want. If you single click, you have access to clearing your RAM, file manager, settings, or you can change the brightness and volume. If you long press it, you have access to going back, home, annotation mode, and recent applications. You can also connect a compatible CloudWalker webcam to your CloudTouch. Choose from a range of Full HD to Ultra HD webcams to make your video conferencing and collaboration smarter. Our advanced range of cameras come with real-time autofocus, ultra-wide-angle lens, and various other features. From ePTZ to PTZ models, producing stunning video and capturing high-quality sound. You get a whole bunch of accessories with CloudTouch, inclusive of whiteboard pens, pointers, remote control, wall mount, user manual and warranty card, HDMI cable, USB cable to connect your touch devices, and a power cable. You also have an option to mount the CloudTouch on a rolling stand. Interactive panels have not only become increasingly popular in replacing outdated whiteboards, but also crucial in a modern-day office or education environment to ensure you are able to communicate and collaborate efficiently. CloudWalker is an Indian tech company focused on empowering businesses to present, collaborate, and interact with their audiences in a smarter way. Our products are manufactured in India, and we have a pan-India service network, dedicated toll-free number, and an email ID for customer support, installation, and service. We will be more than happy to connect with you for a free demo or a quick consultation. Email us on sales@cloudwalker.tv or visit www.cloudwalkerbusiness.com to know more.